In this video, we will show you how to import your contact on your Android smartphone on Microsoft Teams account. With the Microsoft Teams account, you can using the application to make a chat or phone call via your Microsoft Teams. So you can import for easily to find your friends list. In here, open your Microsoft Teams. I'm using Windows 11 23H2. Then you can sign contacts in here. After you click Sign Contact, you can import your contact from Google or for your mobile devices. I will using my mobile devices. After that, please scan this QR code using your mobile devices. I will using QR code scanner on my mobile devices. In here, I will using QR reader application to scan my QR code here. Okay, using your smartphone, you can directly, after you scan the QR code, you can just click open a link or just click the link here. Then you can click sign contacts on your smartphone. After that, you need to install the Microsoft Teams here. After you install the Microsoft Teams application, you can just click open. Then you can directly click again import the contact. Click settings on your smartphone. Just select app permission, and for contact, click here to be allowed. Okay, click allow, and you can back into your Microsoft Teams. After that, you can click import contacts. Then the contacts will begin import into your Microsoft Teams account. Hope this video helpful for you.